Hi all, this is Kailvili Subramani, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Today we discuss about how to create a LinkedIn profile banner using Canva tool. Canva is the simplest tool to create a social media profile. Today we discuss about how to create LinkedIn profile banner using Canva tool. Basically, four steps are available to create a banner. First one is login your Canva ID. After that, choose the correct template. From that template, you customize that template using more elements. Finally, download that template you fix as your LinkedIn profile banner. Now we go for live section. Go Google and search Canva. You got first the link Canva. You just click it. You get home page of Canva too. From this home page, you log in your Canva ID. If you don't have any IDs, don't panic. You log in with your Gmail account. Here, I already log in my account. This is my account page. After your login, you get search button. You search the template. Now I click LinkedIn banner. If you search using this search button, you get correct size of the LinkedIn banner template. Just you scroll down this and select one template. I choose this. After choosing this, you get this dialog box and click customize this template. If you customize the template, you got many elements like design, elements, text, brand, upload, draw, project, and apps like this. You just customize your account name or your company name, whatever it may be. You just type it, and if you want to change this filament colors, you just open text color and change your letter colors. Same the way font also you can change. You just click it and change the font. If you want to add the image, you just go uploads, upload files, choose the file, get open and upload it. If you like to add some icons, you go and search using element. Element, I just click mail. I got mail icon. I add it. Icon also you change the color. Finally, you create your LinkedIn banner from this edit options. Finally, fix the LinkedIn banner profile using share icons, downloads, then download. If you like to change the file type, you choose the file type what you want, then you final click downloads. You just take from download file to fix it as a LinkedIn banner. Thank you.